Name of this surah, Suratul Nasr. Reading with spell. First ayah and first word. First word is a spell. Hamza kasra e. Zal alif fatha za. Iza. Alif before fatha. Then alif madda. Longer by 2 seconds. Iza. Next word. Jaa. Jim alif fatha ja. Hamza fatha a. Jaa. Longer by 4 seconds. Noon connect with sod. Third word. Word number third. Word number 3. Noon connect with sod. Noon sod fatha nas. And ra connect with lam. Lam lafzi Allah. Ra lam dhamma rul nas rul. Lam standing fatha la. Lam up to standing fatha. Longer by 2 seconds. Lam standing fatha la. Nasrullah. Ha kasrahi. Nasrullahi. Word, last word this ayah. First letter waw. Then lam. Lam up to jazm. Waw up to fatha. Waw connect with lam. Alif empty. Waw connect with lam. Waw lam fatha wal. And next fa connect with ta. Ta up to jazm and fa up to fatha. Fa connect with ta. Fa ta fatha fat. Wal fat. Ha dhamma hu. Wal fat hu. Complete ayah. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح and والفتح. Stop. والفتح without stop needing. والفتح